Hey everyone, welcome back to Neo Design Lab. Today we'll show you how to turn a short story written by ChatGPT into a realistic AI voice using ElevenLabs. Step 1. Head over to ChatGPT and ask it to write a short story. Try something like, write a 3-paragraph short story about a lost robot in a future city. Once your story is ready, copy the text. Step 2. Go to elevenlabs.io and log into your account. Paste your story into the script box. Select a voice style that fits the tone. For example, a warm male voice or a calm female narrator. Click Generate, and in seconds, your story is brought to life with a natural-sounding AI voice. You can download the audio and use it in your YouTube videos, animations, audiobooks, or storytelling content. And that's it. With just 2 tools, ChatGPT and ElevenLabs, you've created professional narration with no mic and no voice acting. Like this tutorial? Subscribe for more creative AI workflows right here on Neo Design Lab.